If you are a fresher, then you have to start with the NCRTs and newspapers. Eventually, you won't be able to understand much in newspapers because the topics are such that you would be requiring some good level of understanding of the topics
Yes, sir.
of the things which are going around in the country. So don't get demotivated by that. Initially, you would be requiring 2 hours for just newspaper reading. Eventually, as you get experience, then the time will go down. Then you have to start reading NCRTs. You have to firstly by heart the syllabus. You should know the syllabus. You should do a proper analysis of previous year questions and see whether you will be able to do that or not. So NCRTs, then basic books, then advanced books. Then you have to give tests. In the meanwhile, like you should be preparing for mains exam also side by side,
Okay, sir.
and you should be very clear about your options from day one,
Yes,
because
sir.
people think that they will crack prelims, then they will think about optional, and then they will some like magically they would be able to prepare optionals as well as main syllabus in 2.5 months, and then they would do wonders. But this is a flawed thinking,
Yeah, yes.
and you wouldn't be ever be able to complete that in the required time. So one trick would be like, suppose if you are giving let's take the example of this year. So suppose in 2024, if a person wants to give exam in 2024, then he should be clear that an exam happens in May or June, right?
Yes, sir.
So like by February end or
Okay.
March mid, your whole prelims plus optional plus main syllabus should be complete
Okay.
at good level, so that before prelims you would be able to dedicate yourself completely for prelims requirement. And
Okay.
then when you come into the main stage, then you don't have to read anything new, you just have to
Okay, sir.
revise.